Hi, I am exhilarated to show you the unboxing of my Zhiyun Smooth 5 gimbal. If you are new here, I am Dr. A.K. Venkatachalam, an orthopedic surgeon in Chennai, India. My practice is known as the Madras Joint Replacement Center. I am a private practitioner. My interests in orthopedic surgery are total knee replacement and stem cell treatment of joints, bones, ligaments and tendons. You can know more about these procedures from my website for biological treatments known as www.orthobiologicsurgeryindia.com. I record my videos and these are lodged on my YouTube channel Madras Joint Replacement Center MJRC. If you are new to my channel, then I welcome you and request you to subscribe. I record videos of my operative procedures, patient recovery videos and holiday videos with my smartphones, earlier with my Note 9 and now with my Note 20 Ultra. I have been using the most popular smartphone gimbal, the Zhiyun Smooth 4 gimbal, since the last 2.5 years. And today also I recorded a patient testimonial. I will just show it to you. It does a fabulous job and I have recorded a testimonial today. However, when I started using the Note 20 Ultra, I couldn't use the lenses like anamorphic lens, wide angle lens and filters because the weight was exceeding the payload of the gimbal, which is around 200 grams, and the combined weight of this would cross around maybe 260 or 270 grams, so it would tire. And moreover, I would like to do 4K recording and this was getting difficult. The motors were being overloaded and I was facing the risk of the motors being burnt down. So but I can't give up this phone obviously, because this is a very good camera. It has got a 8K camera and therefore I was in a fix. What do? Go back to a lower phone or upgrade my gimbal? I was looking in the market for gimbals which could handle heavier payloads of heavier smartphones, but the only thing which I came across was hybrid gimbals which cater to both DSLR and mirrorless cameras and heavier smartphones, but they were not there to my satisfaction, because I read from several reviews that they found it difficult to manage smartphones alone. There would be a vibration, or it would take too much time to stabilize the phone on these gimbals. You have to keep the lens down, and then because of this you will have to flip the image upwards, vertically, and many hassles were there. So I didn't like to go in that route. I was using my Zhiyun Smooth 4 with my Note 9, which is a lighter phone, but I was still not happy. Luckily, only 3 weeks ago, I came to know about the arrival of the new baby Zhiyun Smooth 5, and the Zhiyun Smooth 4 is now giving place to the Zhiyun Smooth 5, which is a new gimbal. Recorded my unboxing video. You will see my reactions in the video of my surprise at the contents of the package, and then later when I have charged it and understood its mechanism and I have gone through the guide, I will record videos. I will show you the setup of the gimbal. I will record videos in various modes and get back to you with further videos. So this is my Zhiyun Smooth 5, arrived in the package. Bought it in India for the cost of about 16,490 Indian rupees. This is the Zhiyun Smooth 5 package, bought in India, shipped overnight, and I got it within a day, shipped by FedEx. Very good prompt service by Photo Center India. The price was much cheaper. I'm going to now unbox this and take out the gimbal and we'll see what are the functions of the gimbal. Opening the second layer. Let's take it out. We'll see what that is. This is some foam packing. And here is the box containing the gimbal. Smooth 5 combo pack. I opted for the combo pack, which has got this magnetic light and filters along with the main gimbal, and it comes in a pouch. So here is the packet, Zhiyun Smooth 5. There's a service card inside it. So if I register this product with the Zhiyun India, I get a 2-year warranty. I'll be doing that later. What does this pouch have? The pouch we came across first. I think it's a pouch for the gimbal. I'll unpack this also. So this pouch, I don't know what's the purpose of this. It's conical. Yeah, so this is a pouch meant to hold a mirrorless camera with a lens attached, or a digital camera with built-in zoom lens. I think that's a gift from Photo Center India. On the gimbal pouch itself, it's nicely packed. So what's inside? Here's the gimbal, Zhiyun Smooth 5. There's a tripod. On this side is the light, fill light and filters. And this is a Zhiyun Prime warranty card. So let's take out the gimbal. There is a strap here which is restricting the egress of the gimbal. Velcro strap. Do away with it. And here comes the gimbal. What are my initial impressions? Well, it's a solid grip. Nice grip. On both sides, there is a soft side. Here it is metal. Here are the buttons on the face, and on the reverse again there are some buttons. Here is a wheel, probably to adjust the zoom and focus and all that. And here there is a center knob which will switch between zooming and focusing. So we have some buttons on the side. That's a 1/4 inch thread. There is a USB port here to charge the phone while shooting. You can charge it from the gimbal itself. This is the charging cord. It's a USB to USB-C cord. Here is a silicone dryer. And that's basically what's there in the pouch. A gimbal, charging cable here, filters with fill light, warranty card, and that's it. This pouch is really strong. It's got a foam lining on the inside, on both the sides here. It's got 2 Velcro bands to fasten and secure the gimbal and tripod. It has a synthetic exterior. Nice design. Compartmentalized. here you have the accessories like the combo, the light, card and charging cable, and this is the compartment for the gimbal and the tripod. You switch on the gimbal by pressing this power button here, but when it comes out of the bag it is not charged. I'll have to charge it and then see the functions here. These are some functions. I'll start to charge it now. Taken full charge, I will show you the operation. So when it is charging, you see this 4 modes flickering. They are an indication that the gimbal is charging. This is the charging port of the gimbal here. It's covered by a lid. It's a USB type C and it is connected to the main here. And the blue and these lights stop flickering. It indicates that the gimbal is fully charged. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel Madras Joint Replacement Center MJRC so that you will be able to see all the further videos on the Zhiyun Smooth 5. Click the bell icon after subscribing so that you will get a notification when I upload videos in future. I'll see you in another video.